Hello friends, this is Olka Brook, and in this video I will show you how to scroll the map. See, like this kind of effect we will create in this video. For that I will show you what steps you need to follow. First, okay, let's create a new one. What we will do, we will create a new panel here. I already show in the previous video how to add a panel, but again I will show you. Go to the, this is my canvas. Every time if you want to render any UI, so you have to first you have to create a panel. Okay, so then what we will do, we will right click on that, create UI, and we will create a panel. So this is my panel. Okay, I will make it center. Okay, now this is center, and what we will do, we will apply two script in this panel, or we can say two components. We already have image. This is very important. This component is required for how to create a mask, and also for scroll rect. If you know how to create the mask, then you can create the scrollable effect on the map, but I will show you both things in this same video. First, what we will do, we will create a panel and then go to the panel, add component. First we will create a clipping mask. So mask, okay, in the previous video I showed you how to create a mask. If you are facing any problem in that, you go and watch that video. First, what we will do here, we will select an image. Suppose I will select this untitled 2. Okay, set native size. Okay, so this image is for my mask, and I will add a new image for map which I want to scroll. See, now you can see, if we will move the image, see, we want to achieve this kind of effect. Now if I will play the video, we can't do anything, it won't scroll. So I want that same effect previously what I showed. What is our intention for this video? This is very simple. Go to the panel, add a new component, scroll rect. Okay, now you have to change only two things here. First thing, the content. What you want to scroll means, suppose this image, if I will scroll this image, if I will move this image, then I can see the effect. So what is my target? This image. This is my target for content. This is my content. I will drag that image and paste here. Okay, once I will paste here, this is elastic. I will show you what is elastic effect. If I will choose the elastic effect, so you can see the black line here, but I don't want this. I want like it should be like perfect. It should not be like that. For that, what I will do, I will change it. It's movement type elastic to clamped. Now see, if I will drag my mouse, we can't see that black line. So again I will show you. Elastic means elastic effect, and this is clamp. Okay, thanks for watching this video. uh, okay, thank you.